Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Cardano coin price. What's the prices goes in the Cardano, what's the current price, and what is the next move of Cardano. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe and please take channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, let's see the price of the Cardano. At this time the current price of the Cardano is about positive 1.2 USD dollar is the current price, and you can see here the last 1 day change goes positive, but unfortunately if we look the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour change become negative. That's mean that the currently time of the Cardano is going very bad friend. Now if we talk about something like that the last 1 week, so the last 1 week change also goes very bad friend. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Cardano coin please. As you can see here the last 1 day absolutely good change occurred in the Cardano because they take a jump in the previous last 1 day friend. Now if we look at the price change occurred in Cardano in the last 1 day, so the price change is about positive 7.749%, and the high price of the Cardano is about 1.23 USD dollar is the highest price in the last 1 day friends. Now friends, if we talk about the currently price prediction, what's the next move occur in the Cardano coin, so we have to do a technical analysis friends. Now let's draw a technical analysis. First of all we take a support line, and after this hitting the support line, as you can see here that is support line and that is a resistance line. As you can see here they continue has traveled between these two lines, bounce back with the support, same line get bounce back with the resistance friends. As you can see you take a jump, and after a jump once with the resistance line and again falls down friends, same like that friends occur. And now I think they can hit this support line. After hitting the support line, after hitting the support line they again take a jump and move upward friends. So hope they are break this resistance line and take a high jump in the future, but we can't say. But it is clear that now if this kind of things continue and Cardano coin, so the change become positive very soon friends. Now they are also positive when this kind of take jump occurs in a Cardano coin, so the share price becomes very high and the change become positive friends. So hope this video helpful for you. Please kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.